In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and how to make money with Bitcoin. This is a guaranteed way for you to make money with Bitcoin, whether you are advanced or you are just a beginner. See, Bitcoin has been in existence now for a while, and while there is no clear indication of who actually created Bitcoin, most people, and including myself, suspect that it was created by Satoshi Nakamoto. But this video is not about the history of Bitcoin or what Bitcoin is or how Bitcoin began. We all know now that Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. So I'm going to tell you how to make money with Bitcoin step by step, and this is going to be easy for you to apply into your life. And before we go into the video, let me just introduce myself. My name is older brother Tshepo Mavimbela, and in my channel we talk about business and life, putting the two together so we can have somewhat of a balanced life as entrepreneurs. The first thing to know about Bitcoin is that you need to be online. Since it's a cryptocurrency, it requires you to have an internet connection. And with an internet connection, not only that, you need a machine that is strong enough for you to either mine Bitcoin, trade Bitcoin, or trade with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a legit way to actually trade services and products, and it has been done already. But in this video, since I'm specifically talking to South Africans and Africans, the second thing that I am going to let you know about Bitcoin is forget about Bitcoin. Just forget about it. Stick with me. Stick with me, because this might feel like as if it was a bit clickbaity, but I want you to stick with me to the end of the video and you will understand why I say forget about Bitcoin. See, the first thing that I'm telling you is that Bitcoin is legit, and there are people who are actually getting wealthy with Bitcoin, and there are people who are actually trading services and products online with Bitcoin. But the reason I say to you forget about Bitcoin is because here in South Africa, and I believe that in other African countries, we have more troubling immediate problems that Bitcoin cannot solve. If you are from a rural area or you are from a township, and even if you are from the city, there are things that you need that Bitcoin cannot do for you. There are things that you need to get, buy, bills that you have to pay for that Bitcoin cannot do for you. And as much as you can make money through Bitcoin, not everyone will be able to make money with Bitcoin. The reason that not everyone will be able to make money with Bitcoin is because it is not as easy as many people make it seem. You see, this is the reason you see so many people online being scammed. Many people are losing their Instagram pages right now because they see a link posted into their DMs. They click onto the link that is posted in their DM by somebody who was hacked that they probably know and trust, and this person is talking about cryptocurrency. They go into whatever link is sent to them and they also lose their Instagram account, and that account continues to scam other people, and they probably get your banking details in return, or other people's banking I don't really know actually. But what I suspect, based on some of the things that I have read when it comes to hackers who use such methods of scamming, is that they will get bank details from other people and hack into their accounts, or these people will actually pay these people because they trust that this is someone I know, and you end up losing your money. And that's why many people are getting scammed, because many people are looking for an easy way out. Bitcoin is not easy. This is why I say to you, forget about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not easy to attain. It's not easy for you to buy, and you need a strong internet connection. And even if you do have a strong internet connection and you decide to go into Bitcoin mining, you need some very, very expensive machines in order for you to be able to do that. And you also need an extensive amount of power, electrical power, I mean. And if you are South African, then we've got a problem of load shedding. So that is something that you don't really want to worry about if you are mining Bitcoin. Unless, of course, you do have the funds to have backups for your electricity to ensure that you never really experience load shedding. The second thing that you need to understand about Bitcoin is that as much as, yes, of course, I repeat again, you can get and make money through it. Most of the people who claim to be making money with Bitcoin, especially here in the country, don't really make money with Bitcoin. They make money teaching you how to make money with Bitcoin. You pay these people, and when you pay these people, and they get paid in large numbers. And listen, when they teach you about Bitcoin, The price that they set is different for everyone. So they will talk to you, and once they are talking to you and they get to understand you, they will understand where you are financially. All right. So maybe they might want your ID details. Maybe they might want other details so that they can check you up on credit bureaus in the country, and they see where your credit is. And if your credit is higher, that means, well, of course, your monthly finances, your monthly income is much higher than most people, meaning that they can charge you more. So different people get charged different based on how they look, their profile looks, how they speak, on even their credit. So the people who say they make money with Bitcoin most likely make more money teaching you how to make Bitcoin, or scamming you into Bitcoin rather. And the third reason I say forget about Bitcoin is that there are many other opportunities which might take as long as it would take for you to make money with Bitcoin. There are many other opportunities that are immediate that you can take. You see, if you are in a rural area that is developing, the immediate opportunity that you have is to make bricks or to collect river sand. And you've got a business that is in the construction sector. If you are in the city, especially in Joburg, we've got a problem of roaches. You can sell products that kill cockroaches. There's so many ideas that you can come up with that will build you a business that will be big enough for you to make the kind of money that Bitcoin teachers, sellers, and scammers sell to you. Because at the end of the day, any business can get you the kind of money that you are looking for. The only problem is that we all don't really have the patience to wait to make that money in 5 to 10 years, including myself, but I understand that I don't really have a choice. These are the 3 reasons I say forget about Bitcoin. And if you enjoyed this video, you liked it, just click on the like button so that more people can see it. That's your way of sharing the video with other people. And thank you very much for watching. Much love to you.